Hello everyone, I'm Emily. I'm playing Animal Crossing New Horizon. Ooh, 2 weeks. Okay, anyways, I am in Ethan's island, which we share. It's called Island E.
Yes. Hello, I'm Ethan.
Oh yeah, and Ethan started this island. This island basically.
This is my house.
Yeah, this is Ethan's house.
And I have a lot of plants.
Yeah, look at all these nice flowers.
I have a lot of tomatoes. I like eating tomatoes in real life too. But I don't finish them actually.
Can I pick one? Yes? No?
Only one.
Alright, one.
Only one.
I'll leave it for a bit.
Well, you can take my pumpkin.
Oh, by the way, we have 3 human residents here. This is Elijah's home, and he's got a bed outside.
It's Luna's bed.
Which is strange, but
I don't know. It's outside. It's wet now.
Getting wet. Oh, yeah.
You're sleepy or something wet. Yeah. I think your back's wet now.
Yeah, should I?
You should look at your mail.
Oh yeah. So what I usually do is I'll check my mail first. Every time I play. Oh, I bought something last time.
Yeah, it's like the chill wave.
Oh, the music. I bought some music last time.
You can find that in the outside one. We have it outside.
Yeah, I know. But today I am going to show you around Ethan's island. But first thing I should do is probably show you my room, my home. Okay?
Yeah, and your room too. Inside your home.
That's right. So we've been playing this for
like 2 years or something, or maybe just 1 year, but
yeah, but we're not very dedicated. We stop and then we play, and we stop and play.
I think we stopped for like 1 year or something, and then we started playing again, and then
yeah.
That's why you know usually people just finish in like 100 days. So
no, we like to play it just
it's like sometimes
whenever we occasionally. And we usually just spend maybe less than half an hour. Yeah.
It's really for like 30 minutes or something.
Yeah. So I got this fireplace, which I'm very excited about.
No, you turn it back on. If you can stop and then hear the sound.
Yeah. Can you hear the fire?
Sounds really good. Can you hear it?
Yeah, it's really good.
I can hear it.
I love it. And I have a desk here, which I do my drawing and writing, and I got goldfishes. These 2 are different kinds.
No, wait, are they different kinds?
Different, yeah. Look, this one's got black back.
A black back?
Should I? I'll just show you.
Is that?
I'll show you in my pocket. You'll see. Look, this is the black one. Ranchu.
It sounds like Raichu from.
Oh, and this is just goldfish. Okay.
Have you
Should I show it off?
Gave the Raichu.
It will die. Put it back now. Okay. All right. Place item. Not there.
On your chair.
Anyways.
You can fix that later.
Fix
that later.
Show it off. Poor fish.
No, why don't you do that?
Okay. I will place them at the right place. So I want them to be right next to my door. Okay, nice.
Should you check the song with?
Oh yeah. I'm going to check my new song.
You took my lilies.
No, those are my lilies. Oh, you mean the white lilies?
Yeah.
Yes, I took them, but I gave you so much more, Ethan. Be grateful.
Okay.
So right now I'm playing KK Fugu. I think it matches my interior. And today I'm going to register a new. Oh,
no, you need to open it up.
All right. Dun, 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 dun. Chill wave. I'm very excited about it. I hope it's good.
Sounds like my kind of style. I don't know.
Where? Ooh, that's listening. Isn't it KK surfing?
That's kind of my style, though. That's kind of my style, though. But yeah.
Yeah, I think I like it. Should I just leave? But I think it suits my sunroom better. Should I put it in my sunroom?
Yeah, you can just go to there and then turn it on.
Yeah, but I want to put
I
this
suit the
like
style so good. A cool style, you know, inside pocket, inside the.
Are you trying to hint me something?
No.
Like to give this to you or what? Okay, so this is my sunroom, which I love very much. I got purple floor. I'll turn on the light, turn the white light, and off. Maybe I'll just keep it off. So I will have the new song here. Oh,
You
lovely.
turn it louder. I can't actually hear. But if
Okay.
you can't, it doesn't matter though. It's already loudest. Oh, it's not actually that loud though, is it?
I don't know. And I love my David and my couch. Hi. And I like to keep my houseplants here and my purple lilies. I don't really like my crafting table, but I don't have any other ones. This is the only one I got. Okay, now it's time to show you my... Now it's time to show you my bedroom.
The bedroom.
Ooh, wait. Can you open the door for Elijah, please? Okay, let's go to my bedroom.
Yes.
It's alright. Ah. Okay, here's my bedroom. I love the wallpaper, which is made by Ethan. Thank you, Ethan. What's wrong with your voice? Alright. I don't think people can hear you though. So I love this wallpaper. It's moving and it's giving us a very good atmosphere. I'll turn on the light.
Oh, did you see the pure? Like, it's very cool.
Oh yeah. This, you mean
If you
this?
turn it off,
Oh,
it
this
actually looks so cool.
Yeah.
Turn it on.
And I love my elegant bed.
And your elegant mirror.
Yeah. Oops. You just see my undie. Oh no, that's not my undie. That's my shorts. Okay.
So,
Sleep. No. I'll just lie down.
no.
And I like to roll.
Mommy, you know those are your shorts that you just don't like.
Oh yeah, I should take those off. Right?
You're actually wearing them. Go to the blue clothes sign.
Yeah. And I should sell them. And let me turn the light off because I want to show you guys this. Isn't it pretty?
You should take a picture.
You turn it off.
Turn it on and then take a picture. I think it'll be good.
I like it when it's like this. It's so shiny. You see? If I turn the light on, look at this. It's beautiful.
Turn the light
It's
off.
beautiful.
And then move all the way. Like,
What?
no, move the screen. Like this, and then like that, and then take a picture.
Yeah, I took a picture.
Looks so cool.
I can turn it off. Anyways.
I don't want you to waste the battery of that. You can't break the battery. No, wait, can you see? It doesn't look like it has a roof, so does that mean you can jump outside?
So,
like it.
how do you like my bedroom?
It is perfect.
Rate out of 10.
9. Great.
Alright.
That.
Should I keep the light on? No, actually,
No,
I'll
turn it
turn
into
on.
like light again. This light. So it's good.
Really?
Yeah, this light's way better than the orange light. Orange light and no light.
Really? I think...
This light is...
Okay, I'll just have no light for now because I'm going out, okay?
Yeah.
Because I want to say I don't like this table, but I don't have any other table. Any good suggestions?
You should get the
Maybe...
You should get 2 wooden tables. I can make those.
Yeah, maybe you can give me a wooden table. I would love an elegant table, which I don't even know what it looks like, but I think I'll like it. I do have an antique chair that I can use. Anyways, I will see what I could do about that. Okay, so let's go do my usual routine.
Routine.
Elijah, no touching.
What do you call an ant that is really old?
Antique. Good joke. Let's go. I will go do my routine. Hold on a second. What can I sell? Oh, Ethan, you wanted the coral? I'll give it to you. All those shorts I need to sell. I don't want any rubbish. Oh, okay. I'll give you a coral and the giant clam. Okay, Ethan? All right?
Yes.
What do you say?
Thank you. I think you need 2 giant clams.
Okay, I can. But I only have 1 right now. Okay.
Yeah. There's another one today, so you do it.
So let's see if I can do my routine in 15 minutes. Okay? It's raining today.
I'll count. 1, 2.
No, can you not count, please?
Mommy, I got umbrella.
You gonna let me use your umbrella?
I have a green umbrella.
That's nice. Oh, who is that?
And that Aurora.
Yeah.
That's Aurora. That Aurora. Aurora. Is
Catfish?
is
Yes.
having,
Oh no.
has a rain suit.
Car.
Aurora has a rain suit.
Yes, a pink
So
one.
Aurora is wearing all of his rain.
What should I give
Antonio
her?
is wearing my long sleeve I gave him. It's
Should
a
I?
jacket. I gave him a jacket, so
I should give something to.
a carp.
Alright, I
You
don't
should
think
get
he'll
more
like
fishes,
it.
anyways.
Anyways,
No, he likes. You know, penguins eat fishes.
are you sure?
Yeah, sometimes.
Alright. I don't like carbs, so I will give it to
Give him a fish. Give him a fish, mommy.
No.
He sometimes eats
I
fish.
would like to give him something better, but I want to give something to him right now, so I guess I'll have to give him carb, because I'm giving my
Because the
other
carp is a
things to
fish.
you.
Wait, you can give him a net.
Oh,
You can give him a net. The swimmer in action.
oh, workout top.
A swimmer in action.
Thank you. Let's try it on.
Workout.
Oh,
Oh wow.
interesting. It's good for summer. But
I
still
don't
wear
think
this.
I can wear that.
Oh,
Wait, that guy's here. I saw this guy.
kicks here.
Oh, that shorts like those.
I'm not into any of these. This is quite cute.
I want this bag.
You do?
Yeah, you need to buy it yourself. It's very expensive.
Maybe I will get it for you when you have been a good boy.
Yeah.
Sorry. So my routine is starting from here. I go find seashells and fishes. And hopefully I'll find a DIY recipe bottle.
There will always be one, as you said last time. Remember?
Yes. I am so bad at this. Ugh. No, it's not going to see it. Alright, I'll walk this way a bit then. There. Oops. Ah. How about that? Are you going to see it? No. Okay. Right here. This is as bad as my driving.
No.
Yeah. Oh! What can this be? Oh, a pufferfish!
Pufferfish! You got so much pufferfish.
Good.
Yeah, you thought
wonder-
it would be tougher for me. I think it's gonna
Hey,
be.
there's no seashells. Why is that? Oh, hi, Tingy. What is she like?
She is wearing all of the rain suits.
Maybe I can give her these shorts.
Oh yeah. He wants to
But
go.
maybe she likes dresses.
He wants to go. Did you know I have a pet?
Really? I didn't know that. Her name is Tangy and she's a stag beetle. Oh,
Tangy.
that's the same name. Do you think she will like
Tangy, you have a pet called Tangy.
back. Should I give her this bug?
This is the same thing, I think.
Or the shorts? Or I don't know.
The shorts.
Alright.
It will look good for her pasta. I don't know. What? It's on yeah. I like it. It makes me so happy. Yeah.
Okay, good. She likes it. I'm happy to hear that. Let's chat. Oh yes.
Yeah,
this
yeah,
Saturday.
it is.
Okay, let's see how I'll do.
Oh yes, wearing something I gave him.
Good.
I gave him that flight jacket.
Okay. Here's a gift. What should I give her? What, a pufferfish? No.
A puffer fish.
Actually, there's nothing. I don't want to give him this.
An empty can. No, he will get the empty can and put some food into it, and then eat it.
No, that's gross. What happens if I give him this? Do you think he will get angry at me, or maybe he will like it?
Yeah, do it.
Let's try it. Hey, Antonio.
What?
Oh no, I feel so bad. You can keep it. Oh, I'm so sorry. My bad.
You get new miles for that. You get new miles
Mommy,
for that.
you can
to him again.
Maybe I should give him something nice to make up to it, okay? I don't want him to feel bad. Okay. Anyways, get my Nook Miles.
You can still give him stuff, you know. You know, you can still get miles.
Okay.
You know, you can still give him something.
What should I give him that he will like? Okay, because I done that, I feel really bad. I'm going to make him something he likes, which I know.
What about the dumbbell thing?
Yeah, I'm going to make him a dumbbell because he likes working out, right? I have a crafting table right here.
You need a lot of iron nuggets. Do you have iron nuggets?
Well, I have a little bit, but it's okay if I can make something he likes. There, craftable.
Yes, iron nuggets.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it for, what's his name? Antonio, yeah.
If you didn't know, if you keep spamming A while you're crafting, it will go faster.
By the way, this is obviously a bag of money. If I put it back in, it will grow a money tree. But I'm not going to because this is my yard. I don't want a money tree right here.
What about a flower, gold flower? And that's not gonna
wish,
be.
Yeah,
no, you need to use a gold shovel. And
So-
you can't. You don't know how.
I'm just gonna leave
don't
it
know how to use a
open,
gold
okay?
shovel, so.
I'm just gonna leave it open and come back and see it tonight. Hey, so if I plant a flower in here, would it be a golden flower?
No,
It won't?
it won't. It has to be 2 black flowers, with making 2 black flowers using gold shovels, and then it will become a gold flower.
Anyway, I plant some mum there, but I don't think it's going to be golden. I'm going to find Antonio. Okay?
It's like you're not interested. Is it like you're not
I want to
interested?
plant some gold flowers. Where's Antonio? Where did he go?
I think he went up or something. No, he went that way, I think.
Okay.
I think he went this way, yeah.
I'm going to harvest my wheat
Later.
and my carrots.
Oh, yeah. Let's
This
see
is
if the
downstairs.
guy in there is the same guy as last time.
Oh yeah, someone is in the tent. Let's see.
No, I talked to him and then he's like, he's coming to our place, but I haven't placed like the campsite thing yet. It's this guy again.
Hi. Come out. So I can't give him anything.
Nah, only I take him up, but that's sad. I hope you could do that too.
Did you say he was talking about skateboarding?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Wait, there's a lost item.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Thanks.
I saw that when I was before, but I didn't want to waste my time because
Good spotting, Ethan.
I actually spotted that before though when I was playing.
Yeah. Maybe Antonio went home. Should I try it? No.
I'm
he's
having fun. I guess he's just having fun now.
All right. Maybe I will
Did you
just. I'll continue with my
Did you just
routine.
change that?
I didn't change anything.
No, that.
Oh yes, I changed it. So I will put whatever I'm going to give to you in here. Okay. So a coral and a giant clam. All right. So you can pick
Do
these
you
up.
only need one giant clam?
I think you need 2 to make the shell lamp.
Okay.
Tangy. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Oh, what?
You dropped
this. Oh, so it was
Wait.
this.
I don't think you can do it.
Oh, it's not.
Oh,
Oh,
this
it's
is
Tangy's. I wanted to give him something though. Can I? Yes. This is for you. Antonio, I am very sorry that I gave you an empty can. Okay?
Would you give him it again?
No.
Okay.
So I made a kettlebell for you because I know you like working out. That's muscular of you.
Yeah, okay. Oh, really? Muscular. Here's something for you. Pilot uniform. That looks like the same one. That sounds like the same one I just had.
Really?
Yeah, that sounds like the one I have that I gave him.
Let's wear it. What?
Ooh.
So I am a pilot?
That's not what I wore. Okay?
Anyways,
If you change black, I will really like that.
maybe you can customize it black. Oh, and a DIY bottle. Let's check out what's inside.
Can you customize clothes?
I don't know. I never tried.
I don't think you can.
Log round table.
Log round table. I think you should check it out.
Okay, let's see. Let's
That
see
looks like
it.
one of Bill's one that Bill has.
Do you think he
What's
has
it?
one?
Everything? You need to go to everything.
It's cute.
That's cute.
And I have a lot of hardwood.
Hardwood. You can make it.
Hardwood.
But you're looking at your phone right now.
Got some Luke Miles. Not here. Oh, 2. I need to spend some. Good. Alright. Here's
You
a
should make
fish.
it.
I'm practicing for my fishing tournament. I'm so bad at it. Ooh. Yay! I like this. It's a red snapper.
I think I like eating those.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, you
And
like
Mommy.
snapper fish.
Okay.
Yes, you like. Yeah. Let's go. Keep going. So, is that a fish? Okay. I'm so bad at it. I just get too nervous. Elijah, you don't have to shut it fully.
Sounds like you did that on purpose or something. I don't know why.
Did what?
Took it out on purpose because
No.
you said first or something before you took it out, and you're like and then you pressed it.
I got nervous. Okay. Oh, another one.
It sounded like it looked like I had a blood, and I was like, and then it's a red snapper.
This one looks big. I just hope it's not a sea bass, which I get all the time.
It looks like the same. It looks like a red snapper though. I guess it's red snapper season.
Oh, olive flounder.
Olive flounder.
Alright. So I usually just go around and pick up the seashells and fishing. And look around for some fossils.
I haven't. Wait, is the fox guy here?
Oh,
Your
maybe
cousin
you should
thing.
Yeah,
He
my
said-
cousin.
It doesn't sound like he has a cousin, but he.
Oh, fossil.
I think
I should get used to using the quick key, right? Instead of always opening up my bag.
Yeah, me too. Press.
I wonder how many hours we played this. Oh, some bugs. I will need a ladder to go up. Who's that one? I should catch it.
Is that a cicada?
I missed it. Okay,
Because these are cicadas are new, actually.
cicada. Am I close enough? Yes.
This is a new cicada, I think.
No, I got this before.
I got them.
Hmm.
You're saying the same thing as me. Because I got 13. I got the chocolate milk. I also got cicadas.
So no, my cousin is not here. Oh wait, the fox guy is not here today. Oh, so I will go from this side and then go around the island. Oops, not very good at this. I just want to go this side. If I'm lucky, I will see a prison on the sky, right? And then I can use the slingshot.
Oh, nice.
But I don't see any today.
I think you saw Carl.
Oh, I'll need $10. Come on. Can this be a seahorse? Oh, cute. It's a blue one. What? Pockets are full. Pockets are full.
Empty can. No, that's good.
I'll leave it there for
I'm
you.
selling that.
Yes, you can.
Pockets are full with it.
What should I drop?
Empty
Oh,
can.
I should totally just do that.
You know, you should give the lost item and throw away the empty can. You don't need it, or you could just sell it.
Oops. Is this $10? Yeah, I don't need that. Oops. Don't need that.
This keeps changing. It keeps. No, these two files have been here for a very long time.
Yeah, I dropped them there.
Why?
Oops.
But I thought Elijah dropped them there, so I didn't pick it up. I didn't drop it there.
Okay.
Okay,
What
then I
should
will
I
sew it.
drop?
You drop an empty can.
No.
You don't
I don't
need
want
it.
to put rubbish by the beach.
I'll
I'd
pick it
rather
up.
put beautiful lily.
What?
Okay, let's
No,
go
I'm
sell.
selling that. I'm taking the.
Yes, you can. Let's go sell.
Yay.
Time to sell. Ooh, I want that, but I don't have any pocket space.
Then you can buy anything that you want.
I'm already playing more than 30 minutes.
Oh wow! Look at that! Look at that chair. That's like a gaming chair or something.
Yeah, I don't like that. You
I
can
like
buy it. You
It's
can.
good for my lights.
Yes. You should show us your room. I will save them.
But
Okay.
only give the pilot's uniform. The pilot uniform looks better. Oh,
what
wow,
is
look at that
this?
chair.
Is this a petrol station? There's nothing I want today.
Okay.
Ooh, this flooring looks interesting. Why is this one so expensive? See you.
Imagine one day you can go to everything cabinet and then there's everything that you saw before.
We have that in Tom Nook's place. Everything we had before we can buy.
No, you saw
Oh, I saw.
and then you can buy it.
Oh. So I will need to go. Oh, so I haven't find out who's lost.
It's Tangy's.
Okay, let's go find Tangy.
Tanky.
Tangy.
That guy
I
is a
can't
cat.
find her. Oh, hi.
Tanky is a cat.
Oh, it's going to teach me a reaction.
I caught that one.
Oh yeah.
Fearful.
Alright. Fearful.
Ooh, did you hear something?
Fearful and cold. I'm happy. Where is she? Maybe she's at her house.
Oh, she's right
Oh,
there.
okay.
She's next to Rocket's home.
Did you? That's good.
You just. I think that's actually not that hard to find out.
Thank you, Ethan.
Tea and towel.
Interesting. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
good.
That looks good.
Yeah.
I think I love it so much.
Are you trying to hint me something?
Mommy, give this one to me.
Uh,
You know that looks like a guy, like you know the giant clam and the star and the plants.
Who lives here? Bo.
Bo.
Oh, my favorite guy. Yes. Just have to say hi to my favorite guy.
By the way, why
On
do you
this
like
island.
Bo so much?
I think he's very cute.
Crafts a lot.
I love crafting.
Watch your step, okay?
Bondo, I got that. I know how to do it already. Yeah. Oh, but don't I already knew? Alright, thank you.
I think it's a different kind of bow too. Do you want this?
What should I give
Lots
them?
of bugs.
Bug. I just sold all my bugs. Should I give
Okay.
them the tea and towel?
No.
Because you want them.
Okay, you can give the tea and towel. get the tea and toe.
Alright, I will. No.
I can make the tea and toe myself.
I can buy him. I can catch him some bugs because I know he likes bugs.
Catch him some bugs.
Okay. Ooh, fish.
Tea and toe.
Fish.
Tea and toe.
There.
Tea and toe.
Good.
Oh.
Mommy, I think.
That's boring.
Yes, yes,
Mommy,
yes.
I think the one that Bo gave you I think the one that Bo gave you was a different kind of one.
Really? I can check. Hey, Bo. Here's a gift. I know you like bugs, and here's a very pretty little bug. Guide? Sure.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too.
Mwah.
Let's see.
Oh,
Interesting. This is what I like to wear.
you know you can make that inside custom design.
Yes. Yes. I don't have time to do my custom design. Okay?
Okay.
And I think that's about it. I went around the island. I didn't go to Abel's sisters because I don't have enough time.
Wait, if you walk on that when you're running, it will
Yeah.
disappear.
You mean
on the
the
flowers?
Yes, that's right.
I guess that's why the purple flower's gone.
It's alright. Oops. Fossil. Oop. Ah, so bad.
He's wearing something different.
Yeah, I think I gave him that.
It stopped. It's almost finished raining.
Who gave me the workout top?
Antonio,
So I cannot give it back to him.
you can.
No, he will feel weird.
Yeah, but no, he doesn't mind it. He won't mind it. But you already gave him something.
Anyways, so I will get him to check out all my fossil. I played extra long today.
Mommy,
Yes.
Ladders.
Mommy,
Oh, good. That means I can sell them.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you chat me. We are playing Flawless Lava, and Mommy is gonna be.
All right, but I am on this. Does that mean it is 1 o'clock? Oh. Alright, I'm going to sell and wrap it up now, alright? Sold. Alright, that's it for today.
You should do your Emilly and wrap things up.
Oh yeah, oh no, I haven't harvested my... Okay, alright. One last thing, okay guys? This always happens. I have 15 wheat crops.
They look like carrots.
I have some carrots.
When you harvest them, they look like carrots. Because you know it's orange in the middle part. And then they have like a wheat thing. Not carrots.
Are they the same price? Oops, I'm not going to sell that. It's very annoying. Where is my Trees land. Good, you go back. Oh. No, not right in the middle. Okay, go. No, not there.
Just push it.
Actually, I'll just leave it there, okay?
Wait.
Hey, who lives here?
This is Tangy's.
Tangy's house. And
Have you
that's
seen
all.
Aurora's home yet?
Yeah, I have. It's quite cute.
I haven't.
I actually haven't seen Rocket for a while.
So I guess you would just give something to you just catch a bug and then give it to Rocket and then finish.
I'll buy something for her. How about that?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just don't take the chair.
No, I'm not going to buy him that chair. That chair is going to be expensive.
I don't think I can actually buy it.
That.
I want some.
That chair is
I'm selling my crops. Yeah.
Yeah. How much coal do you have?
How much what?
5 coal.
I don't know. Ooh, that's good.
Oh, that's good. Wheat is pretty good.
Yeah. So I will buy him.
Rugby. No, that's for Antonio.
Yeah.
That looks good for Antonio.
It's
That doesn't
nothing
look
good.
That doesn't look good for.
Sure, I'll buy him some wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Is there anything suitable? What's this? Rose.
I think Tangy was.
Cute red tile. This? What's this? Rose? I'll get him something rosy. Okay? That's it. I hope you like it.
Yeah. What does she get?
Rose flooring.
I
Floor
feel like it. He
with
likes
some pink stuff.
rock stuff. Rocket.
Hi,
I think he
Rocket.
will think this is pretty nice
This is for you, Rocket. Does he like it or not? A polo shirt. Hey, Rocket, you better use it, okay? I think it'll look good in your home. Do you think he'll use it?
I don't know.
I hope he
You
will.
know that shirt that's over there?
Oh, I like it. Maybe one day. Okay.
Cause
Bye, Rocket. And
Good
I
afternoon.
should really wrap it up now. Oh, ABD, I haven't done that. And maybe, possibly, I'll get some new music. Right?
possibly. Pretty. I like my DB song. I think it's DB, right?
I don't know. Oh, no. I don't. Do I need any of these?
The reaction collection.
Where?
Right in bottom of this. Hip reaction collection.
Right.
They have a lot of cool smiles.
Yeah. I don't think I really needed it. But I just want to learn how to sit down.
You can sit down with that.
Yeah.
You got new smiles.
No, not here. There.
Reaction ruler!
Okay.
Let's
get some new music. Oh wait.
You already got Aloha thing. You've already got the Aloha thing.
Oh yeah, I already got this music.
I'm gonna get it. Looks nice.
I will think
You know, one
about
way
it.
we can get bubble gum.
Do you not have this?
I don't.
Alright.
I know I can buy it myself.
You sure? I can send it to you.
Yeah.
What
Thank
do you
you.
say?
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
love you.
Thank you.
I will send it to Ethan. And
Let's
let's
go
ride
away.
a car. Why?
I don't want to see it. Graffiti. Oh,
Oh, clear.
Wait, I'm just gonna tell you something. If you go to the world thing and then you go all the way down, you can get symbols.
Yeah.
You use symbols and you can do infinity and stuff.
Alright.
Are you ready? Okay, guys.
Okay, I'll do some ABD and then wrap it up for now. Yeah. I like to keep a little bit just in case I want to buy something. Okay? Oh, maybe next time I will be able to expand my house.
if you do the whole thing, you probably will be able to. Oh,
Alright.
look, Isabel's smelling her flower and then giving her like water, and then
That's
she
nice.
smells it, and then she gives it water, and then she smells it, and then
That's like something I would
Water.
do. Oh, rocket is out. So, I want to check out my
you press Y.
where's the
You
sit
got
down
so
one?
much with it.
Yeah.
If you press
okay.
try out, you can do that.
Thank you very much for watching, guys. I think it's time for us to say goodbye.
Goodbye. The camera.